how to enable or disable accidental touch protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Accidental. So you will see accidental touch protection is here. If you want to disable accidental touch protection, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see accidental touch protection is disabled. If you want to enable accidental touch protection, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see accidental touch protection is enabled. You will enable or disable accidental touch protection from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable accidental touch protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.